Elon Musk just confirmed plans for Neuralink to dramatically scale up clinical trials, aiming to deploy 1,000 trial brain chips in 2026. The crazy part? They are using advanced AI surgical robots to weave flexible threads within microns of targeted neurons. But that's not even the biggest compute news this week. Anthropic just secured a massive deal with SpaceX to use 220,000 Nvidia chips to power Claude. And a new ChatGPT model just slashed its hallucination rate down to a mere 3%. Let's go deeper. Welcome back to Decoding Cybersecurity. This is your weekly AI drop. We are breaking down everything you missed in the world of artificial intelligence. Fast, factual, and completely uncoded. Let's get into it. So, here's the thing. Grok just introduced a brand new agent mode featuring an entirely empty canvas. You can generate images, create videos, and iterate on product designs directly through conversational reasoning. This officially pushes Grok beyond simple text generation. It is now a multimodal creative suite that can autonomously handle complex, multi-step visual workflows. Google is swinging back hard. NotebookLM just upgraded to include highly interactive mind maps. If you upload massive documents or videos, the AI now visualizes how everything connects to prevent information overload. You can click on specific nodes and chat with the AI directly about that exact subtopic. But here's where it gets interesting for enterprise teams. Perplexity's AI agent, known as Computer, is now fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. It acts as a collaborative, invisible team member. You just tag at Perplexity Computer in your team's chats to deploy intelligent sub-agents. These sub-agents conduct deep research, create content, and schedule meetings right in front of your team. They even manage tasks across Notion, GitHub, and OneDrive automatically. To power all this autonomy, you need unprecedented infrastructure. Anthropic just leased massive capacity at the Colossus 1 supercomputer facility in Memphis, Tennessee. This site, developed by xAI and operating under the SpaceX umbrella, is an absolute monster. It holds over 220,000 Nvidia GPUs, including H100, H200, and next-gen GB200 accelerator systems, demanding over 300 megawatts of power. This massive compute boost improves Claude's processing speeds and allows Anthropic to double their API rate limits for paid users seamlessly. Meanwhile, OpenAI quietly made a massive leap of their own. They launched GPT 5.5 Instant. This model is hyper-focused on concise, context-aware responses. Industry reports confirm GPT 5.5 Instant has cut hallucination rates by over 50%. It dropped the error rate from around 20% all the way down to roughly 3% in high-stakes domains like law, medicine, and finance. The best part, it provides clear sources for the memories it builds during your conversations. And they are putting it right where you work. A dedicated add-on now allows users to bring ChatGPT directly into Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. It autonomously builds multi-sheet frameworks and generates complex interlinking formulas. It analyzes huge data sets without you needing to be a spreadsheet expert. But wait, it gets crazier. We talked about Elon Musk's 1,000 brain chips. Neuralink just introduced a highly precise AI-backed surgical robot designed to implant chips thinner than a human hair. It is meticulously designed to insert ultra-fine threads equipped with thousands of electrodes, avoiding vasculature and adapting to real-time brain motion. And 20 people have already signed up for the procedure this year in 2026.
To adapt to that. It's important to reach more regions of the brain because every problem has a specific location in your brain. If you want to solve motor problems, it's a different region. If you want to solve vision problem, it's a different region. We're never going to stop iterating. We're never going to stop making progress. We want to solve every problem that originates in the brain.
Long-term, looking at ways
cycle accident and never walk again. That's what we're working towards here. And it's all going to be because this robot was able to insert threads that no human could imagine doing on their own.
And surgical robots aren't the only ones evolving rapidly. We recently saw a viral demo of an incredible AI-backed robot. While early reports mistakenly called it Genesis AI or Genie 26.5, we did some digging. The visuals perfectly match the Astribot S1 developed by Stardust Intelligence. This robot uses a whole-body imitation learning system to operate completely autonomously without needing a human teleoperator. The video demo showed this torso-only robot breaking eggs, flipping sandwiches, cutting tomatoes, and solving a Rubik's Cube with insane precision. It hits end effector speeds of up to 10 meters per second, performing physical household tasks faster than most humans. Time for a quick trivia fact. Did you know that to reach that low 3% error rate in high-stakes fields, GPT 5.5 Instant had to fundamentally change how it remembers you? It now provides exact, clear sources for the specific memories it actively builds during your conversations. No more guessing where the AI got its facts about your life. Are you ready for an AI robot to implant a chip in your brain? Or are you just sticking to the ChatGPT Excel add-ons for now? Drop your thoughts below. Follow for more weekly AI updates. This was your weekly drop from Decoding Cybersecurity. Stay safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.